Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is Monday, November 4th, and I'm currently in Thailand. I'm getting ready for DevCon. I will be talking at the Blockchain Oracle Summit and the Stable Summit on November 10th and the 11th. So if you guys are up here, let me know. Also, Caleb, Ryan, and Dan are going to be joining me. So hope to see you guys here. And with that, let's get started with an update on how we're doing with Tellor Layer. Caleb, you want to get started?
Yeah, chain is up and running. It's looking good so far. So we're just gonna continue hammering it. I'm probably going to attempt to call every single transaction that's possible this week, just to see if we have any hiccups, and then just keep investigating how our core processes work and if they're working as expected.
Awesome. How many days has it actually been running?
Since last Tuesday, so we're
Great.
probably sometime this week we'll open it back up to the public. So there's a couple things we're looking into, and then we'll give you guys the go.
No promises. We'll let you guys know. Maybe next Monday. Because the guys will be out here. Anyway, so Akram.
Hi. Yeah, I'm trying to improve the README, which led me to kind of a rabbit hole of how to make starting the local DevNet better. So also there's some other stuff as far as starting the chain, adding validators, kind of like looking at scripts now, but trying to make that better, I guess. I want to improve the README. Also have a PR with the end-to-end tests that shows like the entire flow from starting minting, reporting, creating reporter, passing a report, disputing that report, then voting on it. So hopefully that'll be like a starter point of how to add more tests. But, yeah.
Great. Dan.
Yeah, I'm pretty much expanding on what Akram was talking about with the end-to-end tests. It's got a real chain running in Docker, and then we can run transactions against it. So be working on that.
Kim.
Yeah, I'm working on seeing how well we can get data from a user first needing data to getting it all the way over to the EVM side. How long does it take to tip, report, aggregate, the whole process? And yeah, seeing how optimized we can make that. I'm also working on a presentation, practicing a presentation that I have tomorrow with Encode Club. So that should be exciting too.
Thank you. Ryan.
Yeah, on Friday I updated the bridge page with the bridge contract and updated a little bit of the UI UX on it. And then this week I will be going into the reporter docs, setting up my own reporter, and diving also back into integrating the data feed onto the Block Explorer, and then flying out to Bangkok.
Awesome.
Did you get a reporter up and running?
No, Friday was just pretty much all the setting up the bridge page, so we'll start that today.
Great. Buddy.
I got the docs pretty well finished. It's all accurate now. It should work with copy and paste commands. There's a couple more things I need to put in there. I need to remember to put tipping in there today because that's easy. Other than that, I will see if I can make a IBC channel work. I always wonder if I should go for the IBC channel because we have been restarting the chain, but I think I'm just gonna go for it because I think you have to be able to So like once you create an IBC channel, there has to be a way to update it or remake it with the chain restarts anyway. So I'm just going to go for it.
Awesome. Figure it out. Now that we're not in a rush for anything. And
The only blocker last time was the RPCs, and it's because a lot of the Cosmos stuff requires the port number on the end. So even if you have everything set up perfectly, it's literally just looking for if the URL has the port number at the end, which is really dumb to me, because I could put it like the URL is forwarding it to that port already. Like the URL would work if you just weren't checking for that number. So I just got to get through that. I have to figure out a way to make that work.
Right. Well, thanks, buddy. And Nick, did you already do your Encode Club presentation today, or are you okay? Great.
An hour and a half. Yeah. So I wrote a good one though. I'm gonna have to give it to you guys eventually. Oracle ZK and the social layer. It's a spicy talk. So, let's go.
And everybody can catch it after. Encode Clubs, usually they publish all of the presentations that we do for them. So you guys can catch, I guess, mine, Nick's, and Tim's through, they usually post it on their Twitter. And we try and always to repost it, but anyway, the one thing that I do want to test before we actually open the testnet is we need to make some upgrades, and we need to turn on and off our reporters and make sure that everything runs. I'm not 100% sure that you guys already did that, but if you guys did, then that's great. If not, let's make sure that we get that done before the end of the week. I know at the end of the week, yeah, it's gonna be very busy. So did we do it already?
We've been through almost the entire list of things to check. So we're doing pretty good.
All right. Well then, thank you, and I'll see you guys next week.